The color is stunning. The color is stunning. The color is stunning. I can't say it enough. This color is stunning. Just look at it. This is a complete body off frame rotisserie restored, sitting on a Corvette independent suspension front and back, a 383 stroker crate motor under the hood, overdrive automatic, air conditioning. This is a nice pickup truck. 1955 Chevy 3100. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. God, is that beautiful? I just can't. We've owned this for a few weeks now, and every time I go by it, I think that's beautiful. And other people say it too. So this is smooth as can be, straight, fits beautifully, all clean metal. Look at the lines and just the curves. This color just picks up the highlights and the shadows so beautifully. This is all in excellent shape. Wait till you see how this door closes. And remember, it's an old farm truck. It's got new door latches. All of this is beautiful. And this little bit of white really sets it off. It's all metal, all straight, all clean, all beautiful body lines. This is all clean. Look at this, all nice, beautiful, spotless as the white Chevrolet painted on. Same thing here, all metal. Relocated the gas filler here. The tank's under the truck. All clean. This is mint, never been stepped on. In the cab corners, underneath is clean. See how this door shuts. Nice. So the body is mint. The ice blue paint, the metallic is laid out evenly and has a really wet, glossy, clear coat finish. And yeah, it's exactly what it looks like, blue ice. Has, again, nice highlights, darks, lights, just depending on the curves. Looks like all the chrome was replaced, the bezels, the grill, the big emblem. That is a big emblem. The bumper, the bezels, all that lenses been replaced. The glass has been replaced. You got the 3100 Chevrolet with the white. You got the correct style antenna. You got dual mirrors, all new rubber gaskets, all this trim. You got the little visors. All this has been replaced. Door handles. Billet Specialty wheels, those are new. And the performance tires. They're 20-inch, they're 8-inch wide in front, and I think 10s in the back. Got a really nice stance, good looking wheels. Tail lights, back bumper, all that looks fresh. Stainless steel hardware throughout. Everywhere I notice hardware, it's stainless steel. All right, let's open it up. You're going to like what you see. Okay, so inside is beautiful, but check out these latches. That's how easy it is. Just push forward on both of those. Very easy. There's nice cables, all new apparatus. That's nice. And everything inside is painted like the exterior. Beautiful, more stainless hardware. These little wheel wells were added for the wide wheels. And then on the floor, you got beautifully finished, probably oak floor with stainless strips without the top of the bolts showing. So nice, clean bed compartment. And when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when videos are posted. So it's a TMI interior. That's the fuel pump. I just turned the key on. I'm going to show you something real cool. See the window? Watch how hard it is to push this window crank up. It's a power window. There's a micro switch in this original handle. Works smooth, all new glass, TMI door panels. Everything everywhere is painted beautifully. You got the two-tone. They kept the dash very nice and vintage. The reproduction knobs. Look at the gauges. There's 731 miles on this restoration. There's the tachometer. Electric wipers. Look at the stereo. It's a digital stereo. Fits right in the factory hole. The heater controls look original, but they're electric slides onto the cables. It's vintage air. Not much of a glove box because you have this whole unit behind there. Molded in kick panel speakers. You got nice carpet. Under the carpet has sound deadener. And then we're sitting on a nice TCI seat, very comfortable. Look at the headroom. You can be 8 feet tall and drive this truck. And then behind the seat, more sound deadener, and you got two 10-inch speakers. So you get some nice tunes cranking in here. And overhead, you got a light, you got a headliner. They didn't all come with headliners or visors. You have a reproduction day and night mirror. And then you have this beautiful polished column with the polished handles, tilt column, wood rim steering wheel. And of course, it's all been rewired and everything's updated in here. So yeah, nice truck so far, isn't it? It's one of my favorites right now. Beautiful detailed engine compartment. At the heart of it is a 383 stroker crate motor making at least 400 horsepower. I forget the name of the company offhand, but it'll be listed in the ad on our website. It has aluminum heads, has a polished aluminum intake, smooth polished intake, Edelbrock carb with electric choke. Hiding in the back is an HEI distributor with some real fat plug wires. You got some block hugger headers, some nice stainless dipsticks. I love the tall Chevrolet chrome valve covers. Look at the clamps on the heater hoses. You can turn the heat off right here. Firewall's painted. Everything's painted. This is the overflow for the radiator. And it's got a billet front runner system. See the billet brackets, the nice pulleys with serpentine belt, polished AC compressor, polished alternator. It runs cool with an aluminum water pump, aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, and it has a fancy power steering. This is the reservoir here, and you got braided hoses for the steering. And look how nice and clean everything is. Where's all the wires? Where's all the fuss and muss? There isn't any. Nice dual snorkel air cleaner as well, even under the hood, painted up real nice. So Michael's going to take you for a drive. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Nice pickup truck here. Crate 383 stroker under the hood. It's carbureted with a Edelbrock 4-barrel. And I tell you, this thing was sitting in our showroom for between 2 to 3 days. And just on a whim, I just gave it a crank. Didn't even step on the gas. She fired right up. Really nice running engine with something said to be like about 400 horsepower. So that'll definitely do the trick on this one. 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans, power steering, and 4-wheel power disc brakes as well. It has a front and rear Corvette independent suspension. You guys definitely got to get on our website and check out pictures of the undercarriage. It's just so cool. And also does have power windows built into the handles here. And air conditioning is on and running. Let's see what she's got. Oh yeah. She's singing, boy. I like this one. I tell you, suspension feels great. Really, responsive. Feels great over the cracks in the road. Nice and tight as well. See how it goes down the street here. I mean, rack and pinion front steering, on and on as far as the upgrades go. And this thing is set up nicely. And the air conditioner blows cold too. You can see everything functioning in our options and functions reel as well, attached to this car on our website. But yeah, come on, take it for a test drive if you'd like to, and check out all the details at volocars.com. It's a real winner.
So this nice show board will go with the truck. So underneath, again, rotisserie. They took the body and flipped it on its side. The floors are refinished and painted this beautiful ice blue color, all clean metal. The bottom of the wood is refinished also, so that's beautiful. The frame was all prepped. It's straight and clean and all painted semi-gloss black. And we've got Corvette independent suspension front and back. Up front, it has adjustable coilover shocks, aluminum control arms and spindles, big heavy sway bar, has rack and pinion steering. In back, it's independent suspension with a lot of aluminum control bars, and all the pieces look like they're aluminum. Even the axles look to be aluminum with adjustable coilover gas shocks. It has a really nice looking stainless exhaust system with Dynamax mufflers, and it comes out each side right here with these nice polished tips. Disc brakes at all four wheels. I've never seen these rotors before. Got little like slash cuts in them. They look really cool. So disc brakes at all four of the wheels. They are power brakes. The power brake booster and master cylinder are under the truck, along with a vacuum assist electric pump. Looking up at the motor, it's super nice and clean. Chrome oil pan, chrome flywheel cover, high torque starter. It has a 700 R4 overdrive automatic trans, so you can cruise nice down the road. And that has a finned aluminum oil pan and an external finned aluminum oil cooler. Custom drive shaft goes back to the aluminum Corvette rear end center section. And like I said, the gas tank was removed from inside the cab to underneath, so that's all new, and the fuel pump, all that stuff's been replaced. This is a beautiful truck, in and out everywhere you look, but get in and drive it. You'll see all the heads turning. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, like how you're going to get your 55 Chevy pick-em-up truck delivered home. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.